Okay, we're here in Encino, hillside property. This is the basement. We're below grade. Look at all these watermarks. That's basically coming from top to bottom. You can see all the walls are covered with the marks. Everything got flooded, the floor, the walls, and I'll show you what's the source. Okay guys, this is the second video. Let me show you exactly. So what we discovered is those planters have plenty of old waterproofing. As you can see, now we're excavating, we're removing the old waterproofing, but it has no drainage system. So when it's raining, all the water is running directly to the basement, to the lower level. Okay, this is the end result of our planters. So we have dug the soil out, we installed some waterproofing materials, a drainage system that goes all the way from here and then here by the perimeter. Those are cleanups, and everything is going down the hill into a sump pump pit.